Mobilicom design, develop, and manufacture wireless communication units. Those are embedded within mobile platforms. Platforms like ships, helicopters, drones, robotics, personnel units, and so on. Our units are creating a mobile private network among those mobile users and platforms without the need of any infrastructure whatsoever. So we can create a private, secure, encrypted network among those mobile users and platforms, regardless of any existence of any infrastructure like towers, cellular, or satellites. Mobilicom solution was designed by developing first 4G modem technology that we created by ourselves. On the other hand, we developed mobile mesh networking and combined the two technologies into one solution. And by that, we were the first to introduce the 4G mobile mesh networking solution to the world. Mobilicom solution was designed first to be optimized for mission-critical applications. Solutions like maritime, helping offshore gas, oil, energy platforms in the middle of the sea, where a network does not exist. Transportations, trains and subways operating on thousands of kilometers without any infrastructure. Solutions for drones and robotics, a market that is growing bigger and bigger year over year, and serving solutions for government, enterprises, and in the future, commercial solutions. And security, surveillance, and disaster relief, where they have to operate even if networks are not available or if they operate in rural areas. In the government enterprise market, Mobilicom has initial sales to more than 30 customers in 12 countries. Examples for reference customers are: in the maritime, Mobilicom Communications serves offshore sites of gas, oil, and energy, with a typical project size of $500,000 and potential thousands of sites of offshore worldwide. In the transportation, Mobilicom Communications serves in a project of enhancing safety of trains and subways in European markets. In the disaster relief and public safety, Mobilicom sold its solutions to Israel, into Europe, China, but the most interesting reference customers come from Japan. In the drones and robotic markets, Mobilicom Communication was successfully integrated in more than 20 platforms of drones and robotics in sea, air, and on land. After Mobilicom managed to prove that its solution and technology is working in the field and serving customers and making initial sales that is going to grow year over year, Mobilicom looked for the next step for the company into commercial market opportunities. Mobilicom is going to target the commercial market of drones and robotics. Mobilicom revenue model is built from 3 tiers. The first is selling the hardware goods, the units. Mobilicom already have more than 10 hardware products in different form factors and shapes to cater for the different customers and the different installations that in those market applications. Those are all serving customers in the field today. The second tier of revenue comes from recurrent sales of software licensing per year per computer of the EMA and AML tools. And the third tier of revenue comes from annual recurrent revenue of software upgrades and support fees packages from customers. My name is Oren Elkayam, and now I'm the CEO and co-founder of Mobilicom. I have more than 20 years of management experience in high-tech and startups, where I led companies from zero to tens of millions of dollars on sales into tier 1 companies like KDDI, Mitsubishi, Alcatel, Motorola, Nortel, and such like. I co-founded Mobilicom together with Yossi Segal, our VP R&D. We are working together for more than 25 years in different organizations and startup companies. Yossi Segal is a well-known wireless expert worldwide. Yossi was a voting member in both IEEE and ETSI standardization bodies, where he made hundreds of contributions into different wireless standards. Mobilicom management team members has vast experience in international sales, marketing, operation for high-tech companies with more than tens of years each in their field. Mobilicom is raising $7.5 million. The funding shall be used for expanding our marketing and sales activity worldwide, targeting additional customers and new geographic markets to increase our revenues in the government enterprise sectors years over year. In addition, we shall also use the funds to expand into the commercial sector, where we intend to release new commercial products in the coming year, as well as lock design wins with commercial drones and robotics manufacturers.